Hello everyone, my name is Hoàng Linh and today I will introduce about book I Can Care of Nature. Content. Young readers will discover what nature is, what lives in nature and how they can care for nature. Introduce beginning reader to the idea of caring for the environment and what their part is in protecting our planet. This is a table of contents. Beautiful of nature. Nature surrounds us, plants, trees, animals are all part of nature. Caring of nature. Birds and other animals can mistake trash food. If they eat trash, it can make them sick. Working together, our neighbors gathered at a nearby park. We wore gloves and carried garbage bags. Together we picked up all of trash and litter. Thank you for watching.